hedgehog from the movie. And what it's going to be, he has this pose where he's running and he stops. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to do that kind of like he's braking kind of motion. It's going to be a very simple drawing lesson. I think you're going to enjoy it. We're all going to like it, and it's going to be awesome, all right? It's going to be full body, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So I want you to grab your pencil, pen, anything, marker. I'm going to be using marker, and then we're going to go through it slowly. Well, relatively slowly for this guy, but the lesson's short. Stay till the very, very end of the lesson, and you're going to be able to, able to put that in your long-term memory, okay? So let's get started. Alrighty, let's get going here. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna be, Sonic. You already heard. So I'm gonna go over here, and I'm gonna go over here and curve right here for the top of the snout area. Curve along the side over here for the side of his mouth. Curve along that side. I'm gonna go over here up this side of the mouth. Curve along this side, and I'm gonna just have a large curve. The bottom of the mouth, Okay, so right here in the center of that ish, we're gonna find the nose. More or less just kind of a smooth triangle. Smile here, down. Gonna go the furrowing eyebrows, up, down. Over here on this side, up, down. Curve over here. Circle here, and circle here on this side. Circle, circle. Line over here, line over here. Curve along the top of the line there. Curve along the top of the line. And right here for the side of the brow on that side. Let's go over here, draw the inner ear. Over here on this side, up, down. Over here for the spikes. It's going to be, remember there's a movie version of him, so he's going to have a kind of like that furriness to him. Going to go over here for the inner ear, so it'll be a triangle. Right, total triangle. Gonna go over here, pull the line up, curve back, and I'm gonna find the body before I do the spikes. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here, curve for the shoulder, line up over here, curve down here for the back of the shoulder. Curve over here on this side, line up, down, curve over here for the kind of stomach area, down over here, line, curve, and curve underneath. Line up. Finger in. Line over here. Down. Here. Down. Curve underneath. Line. And line over here. Down. Okay, so he's stopping, right, as he's kind of like, he's stopping himself, so I'm going to curve down, up, and then line right here for the sock, and the sock's going to be like this tube shape, right? Then I'm going to pull down across for the bottom of the shoe, curve down across, curve over here, lined underneath, pull up over here, curve, line over here, back for the tail. Line, line, curve, over here, curve, curve, line. Again, the curves for these socks are relatively easy. They're just like these bunches, right? Like this 3 shape or M shape on the other side of that. Line up over here for the shoe, down, curve down here, and line, line. He's stopping himself with his shoe like this. It's kind of what's going on here. Let's go over here this side. I'm gonna pull down on that spike, pull up, curve, 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 up, curve, 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 up, curve, 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 up, like so. Line, line, line down, and that works pretty well, I think. We can put like a line over here on this side for the bottom of the shoe, same thing on that side. Line over here, line down. But yeah, so pretty much it. And if you really want, you can draw these speed lines over here as he's running there. He's gonna stop. So it's a big sort of thing that he does a lot. And you can draw maybe the treads over here underneath the feet. Underneath. And line over here, up. Down over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.